Hi, I am Datuk Dr. Inder. Welcome to iPlus Hair Regrowth Expert, where we help you to regain your confidence through hair restoration. Hair loss can feel very stressful, but you are not alone. Millions of people face hair thinning and hair loss. But the good news is, with today's technology, your hair restoration has never been easier. It all starts with a consultation. We analyze your hair, discuss your goals, and tailor a solution just for you. Hair restoration is simple. Using the latest technology, we extract healthy hair from the donor area and transplant them to the areas where you are having hair loss. It is a minimal invasive and it gives you natural looking results. The best part, the results are permanent and unnoticeable. You will get your natural hair back, boosting your confidence level. Follow us for more tips on hair loss and hair restoration, and contact us if you have any further questions. Okay, thank you. Here's a small poem to end my video. From thinning straining to thick again, your journey to confidence will begin. Through care and science, your hair will grow. At iPlus Hair Regrowth Expert, we are here to help your beauty journey.